Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial. So let's get started. First, create a new project and add pictures of your choice. You can download the APK file from the link given in the description. Now click on the format and change the screen ratio to 9:16. Adjust all the pictures as you required. Now select the clip and click on Styles option. You will see 3D zoom effect. Apply the effect for the clips one by one. To add song, click on Audio and select from Device option, where you will find your songs which are in device. Now select the song. Now adjust the clips to the song beats. And finally export your video. To make your clips move forward and backward, go to KineMaster and upload your exported video. Split the video where each clips begin. Now duplicate the pictures and reverse it. Do the same thing for every splitted pictures. Then add the song and adjust as per your need. Export the video. Yo! You are done.